So let's take a look at how you can hide comment count in GeneratePress theme. So first let's take a look at my website here. I have default lorem ipsum text in one of the posts, and at the bottom you can see there is 4 comment count, tag and categories. So this comment count I want to remove. So to do that, what I'm going to do is go to appearance, then theme editor, and in theme editor I need to find a file named functions.php. okay, there are a bunch of other files as well, styles, etc. So for those who are using free theme, they should make use of functions.php for editing. So here we are going to add our filter. Okay, so make sure to open that file, go to the bottom of file and type in add_filter, and then here we have to type in generate_show_comments. okay, and then we have to add function, and then inside that function we have to use this return with single quote and then semicolon. Okay, now here you can see you have to update the file after that. Okay, now let's open a new tab here and refresh it. So at the bottom you can see now the comment count is removed. Okay, so you get the idea how to hide comment count in GeneratePress theme for WordPress.